Menteri Rangba Kajela Conrad Sangma ni kesengi habai keren kinong tok bor ulong ba shibun kijinge ki yakendu bat kamlong ka besuk bakin pun urlong ya baro ha kaju kapor habai dei bgijing Duna ki IAS ha Kajela Menteri Rangba ulong bakum ke sorkar katrang banyoi bakin don ki samla puli ki ban pas ha kene ki eksamin kabal penlong da ka UPSC Ulai itu bak sorkar hauni usnem arajar arpun riu kan sedang ya ke program ban kyrshan ya ki samla puli ki bapas ya ke Prelim. Shu ulai itu bah haman ki district bat ki organization ki bak sorkar ka ajing hikai bat kyrshan da ka pisa. Ulai itu bah ki senam ki baladep kelas sedang ya ke program online haka bagi haban pensange no nakadaw jong ke jingwan lengshop jong ke klam covid khat kendai. Uloong bau don kijing kermen ban yoi ya kijing mentoy lang ba kini kijing sedang bat dang sian ru hari lum garo kawai ka kenhon balang kala sedang ban ai jing hikai bat ke sorkar kalai rap yaki da kapisa.
Challenges, we can't resolve everything in one go. We have to see that we work on the system, and it'll always be there. That there'll be different issues that will come up, and civil service clearance at the central at the UPSC level is definitely one area which we are very concerned about, and we would like to see more students pass. So this year itself, in fact, I'm starting a program where I'm going to be supporting financially the students who have cleared the prelims. Will be giving financial support to them from the government side. At the same time, where the different districts and different organizations to which we're giving coaching and training and financial support. And we had started a program online many years back, which of course had to be stopped because of the COVID, the pandemic that struck us. But we are slowly structuring it. I hope that we'll be able to see more impact. Just recently in Garo Hills also we had the religious organizations also have started to start this training process, and government is helping them also, so on and so forth.